Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove age restriction in Instagram. Instagram is a popular social media platform launched in 2010. It's known for sharing photos and videos and has evolved to include features like stories, reels, and even direct messages. So officially, according to Instagram's terms of service, you need to be 13 years old or older to create an account on Instagram. So age restrictions are in place to protect younger users from potentially inappropriate content that may be found on social media. It is also to comply with data privacy laws like Children Online Privacy Protection Act in the United States, which regulates how online services collect and handle data from children under 13. To get started, the first thing that you need to do is to download the Instagram app on your device if you don't have one. And if you have one, just open the app on your device. Now on your feed, click on your profile. You'll find the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. Now on your profile, click on the settings button that you'll find at the upper right corner of your screen. Now on settings, click on creator tools and controls. On creator tools and controls, click on minimum age. So in here, you can modify the default minimum age of your viewers. You can also set the minimum age of your viewers by country by clicking on the add button beside by country. Now, select a country that you want to add a minimum age to. Now, once I click on this country, I can now enter the minimum age for this country. And because I entered an age below minimum age, this will be not saved on my settings. Now, I'm just going to click on by country and enter an age that actually is under the minimum age for users of Instagram. By clicking the check button at the upper right corner of your screen, this settings will be saved on your settings. This feature is exclusive for creators and business accounts on Instagram. This settings is not available for personal accounts on Instagram. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.